Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we've got an absolute huge one for you. If you interact with eBay any way whatsoever, this video is for you. Now, in the past, I've done videos of how to make it fast and efficient to get information from eBay to QuickBooks. I've also done videos of how you can use third-party apps to get information from eBay to QuickBooks, but with a twist that it will cost you to do that. Well, today I solve all those issues. I know a way where we can get it fast and efficiently into QuickBooks without costing you a penny. Want to learn more? Stay tuned.
I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark, I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me.
Hello, my name is Aaron Patrick. I am a chartered accountant, a certified UK trainer with a fancy new logo, that QuickBooks chap on the internet, and also head of account over at Boffix. Now, today's video is huge. Today is the way in which we can find out how to connect eBay and QuickBooks completely free of charge and also efficient for your needs. If you deal with eBay in any way, you'll know how much of a big deal this is. When you sell on eBay and other platforms, which we'll cover in other videos, then you will notice that the money you receive isn't the money that you've actually sold the item for, because eBay is going to take their fees and everything else that's included. That means that your job is to then gross up the money you've received to what your actual selling price is, so that you have everything correct in your QuickBooks. And in the past, as I've said, I've provided spreadsheets to be able to do that for you. I've also looked at paid options where that can connect the two for you. But today, I'm going to find you a solution that means that you're going to be able to do all of this connection. You're going to integrate completely free of charge. It doesn't get any better than this. So let's not waste our time. Let's get straight into it and figure out exactly how we can integrate eBay and QuickBooks for you. Let's have a look. So the magic of this is that QuickBooks has acquired a company called OneSass. And under OneSass, you'll see there's lots of different options in terms of integrating, but the one we care about is the eBay integration just here. Save time and money by automating sharing data in eBay and QuickBooks. Sounds good to me. Connect multiple sales channels to QuickBooks Online, ensuring stock levels are up to date. So that's if you want to be looking at not just that, but buy commerce, Etsy, and other ones that are included. Eliminate manual data. Basically, everything we've looked at before on other solutions. So we've been looking at other solutions like this on this channel for a long time. But the beauty of this one, if I jump onto pricing, eBay by OneSass, automatically sync your eBay sales with QuickBooks Online, unlimited users, and the best price of all, free. That's right, free of charge. This is where this is going to be so good. This is that exact functionality we've been looking for at the price point we've been looking for as well. So let's see how easy it is to get it connected. Where I am now is I'm at basically www.apps.com. As soon as you go to www.apps.com, it's going to take you to here. Then just type in either eBay or OneSass, whichever one it's going to be. And all you need to do then is press Get App Now. So I'm going to ask which app you want to connect it to. So I'm going to now add it to my company and I'm going to press next. And all you then need to do is press connect. And it comes up with this screen here. Brilliant. Now we're in the OneSass dashboard. This is our place where we can make sure we've got the connected to. So we need to connect to eBay. So I'm going to press the connect to eBay button. It's going to take me to my eBay site. I'm going to press I agree. And because my eBay Apple Core arbitrage is already connected, it's already going to connect up. And the only step you might have to do is just log into eBay at this point. So now I'm in my manage section. I get to make sure my account zone is the same, and I want to say when my integration starting zone. Now, so I get a bit of data in, I'm just going to go from the earliest stage, so 18th of February in this one. I only want to know if there's sync error, so I don't need to know, but I could be told if it's daily or if I don't want any at all, and I just need to agree with it. This gives me the chance to turn integration on. Here, I can say what my workflows is. So when an order is created in eBay, create a sale in QuickBooks Online. Sounds good to me. And then from here, I can determine what's going to happen with it. So do I want it as sales invoice or sales receipt? And do I want to keep it as a name and create a brand new product and service, or do I want to keep it as a SKU? I can then decide if I want to create items as non-inventory items or inventory. So if you want to do stock management, I'm going to put non-inventory for now. And I want my income account to go to sales. But if you drop this down, I've got other ones I could look at as well, including eBay sales. From an expense point of view, I've got an eBay fees one. So let's put it to there. And let's map some tax codes as well. Then all I need to do is do send payments from eBay to there. What do I want to happen here? Well, if send payments from eBay to QuickBooks Online has happened, where it's deposited to? Well, in mine, it goes directly into my eBay payments. What I've done is I've made sure that the following's done. I've made sure I've got my send fees to eBay ticked, and I made sure that that's right. And I want to make sure my retrieve refund orders have gone through as well. What this will do is this will mean that your send payments from eBay to QuickBooks Online will all be set perfectly for you. And then what I'm going to do is when a payout happens. So one of the key things we've got at the moment is that everything isn't going to the main Revolut account. What I want to do, instead of going to the Revolut account, which is my money that goes into, I've got an eBay managed payments bank account. So this is a control account. And when a payout happens, I want that to go to my eBay managed payments as well. And my eBay fees, I want to make sure it goes to eBay fees. Now I can have it as product and I can have a stock levels as well if I want to. But for now, I'm pretty happy with that one. So let's look at my connections. Well, at the moment, I have two. I have QuickBooks. At the moment, I have two. I have QuickBooks and I have eBay. And I can add additional connections here. So I've got FreshBook, MyMob, QuickBooks, Sage, Xero, Zoho. I've got the Amazon ones showing up here as well. I've got Shopify, OpenCart, Neato. I've got email marketing as well. So maybe I want to go to my MailChimp. And even point of sale, Loyverse as well. So I've got loads of options here, and that's going to make my life so much easier. I can look at my data. I can see what data's come through. And I've got a help section as well. So this is where the data is going to come through for me. So let's sync now and let it go through and get some synchronization for me. Remember, it's going all the way back to February in mind. So it's going to have a bit of data to come in, and that's what I want. Now, what I do like about this is it's also going to tell you when there's any issue. So here, one payment was not sent to QuickBooks Online due to configuration. One has gone, and one of my payments have gone as well. So let's review and find out. So it says here, invalid account type. You need to select a different type for this transaction. Let's have a look. So let's see what's happening in QuickBooks then. So in QuickBooks, you'll find I've had two different ones. I've had an invoice created. And that invoice, I've got my new product put in there for me. I've got my shipping been split for me as well. £6.75. Now, of that £6.75 on the 3rd of the 3rd, 21, if I look for what actually happened in my bank and have a look at what I found that in the 8th of the 3rd, 21, so let's bring that one back up again. So 3rd of the 3rd, 21, and it appeared in mine on the 8th of the 3rd, 21. If I click into it. So now that's been posted there. Now what you should find now is on my dashboard, I should have an eBay managed payment account. And then if you leave your eBay managed payment over here, this gives you a chance then to keep an eye on it. You can click into it and see what's happening. But this is your way of controlling it. Now there's all these transactions going in here. I'm going to now go through and clean these all up. But what you'll find is that the transactions will flow through perfectly. So the transactions we have in QuickBooks, we go through the search bar. We've got a bill for the fees. So here's my eBay fees that have been happening. And that's been paid. And using that control account means that if you click into it, you can see and make sure that everything's been included correctly. So as you can see here, we've got all the transactions we need. And the most important figure is we keep coming back to that 0, meaning that we keep coming back to a nice reconciled position. And that's the important bit. We want these transactions to come through so that we can split what goes into the bank account against what's been the fees and what's amount received. Then we can make sure we've balanced it correctly. And if I was to run a report now, look at my profit and loss by month. Let's do last 365 days. Then we just concentrate on the eBay sales figure. You can see there, that's £5.75 has come in. And they're those two transactions from that Daniel Chapman transaction, making my life so much easier. And as more transactions come through eBay, more and more of these transactions are going to be added, meaning that we can then treat them accordingly. And there we had it. Look how much we made our life easier by having that connection. Now, it takes a bit of getting used to in terms of setting it all up, but once it's all set up, it's going to sync automatically for you. It's going to take a little while setting up, but once it has, it's all going to be synced for you, and it's going to make your life easier. As you can see, it's so much easier when you've got that ability to do that. Having the ability that you make a transaction on eBay, it then gets sent to QuickBooks, don't have to worry about it. And as your bank then picks up those transactions because your bank's been connected, then those bank transactions will then go against the right account and go from there. My pro tip though is to use that control account. That's your way of being able to say that here's my fees, here's the amount I've paid for, here's the amount I've put in the bank, do they all match up? Every now and again you might find a blip, and that's going to be something like refunds or something like that. So if you've got in a control account, you're going to spot those little blips and you can deal with them accordingly. Hopefully this has helped you. Again, if you need any more help when it comes to eBay, Boffix are the specialists on this one. So go and give them a message or myself and we'll make sure that you get your data into QuickBooks efficiently. My name's been Aaron Patrick. Let me know below. Is this something you're going to start using? Are you now going to be integrating eBay and QuickBooks for that wonderful price of free? Personally, I don't see why not. Now, also, let me know below if you want me to go into a more deep dive of how I've set that up. We kind of ran through it quickly there. More than happy to go through those in a little bit more detail for you. And that way you can make sure yours is all set up correctly. My name's been Aaron Patrick. As always, it's been an absolute pleasure to do this video for you. I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye for now.
I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark, when it's dark. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. All the way that I feel, yeah, I know that it's real, 'cause I can get him out of my head. I don't care what we do, everything's feeling new. Even if we stay in bed, my heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him, nah, 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 nah. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah.
Hello and thank you for watching that video. What you may not know is this channel that you've watched this video from is part of a wider group. That wider group is called Apple Core Production. And the 3 channels that we have involved are as follows. Aaron Patrick, the QuickBooks Chat, Boffix Tax Tip. Finally, we have Apple Core Live and Geeky. All the links and everything are down below in the description, but it really means a lot to us if you can go and give a like to the other channels as well.